waiting for the car because I have a couple castings, so yeah. We just got a matcha tea latte and she really does not like matcha, but I told her to try it at least because the matcha here in Japan is amazing. I love it. So we got a soy milk matcha tea latte with light syrups. I actually asked for no syrup, but turns out they added like light syrup instead of normal syrup. So yeah, we'll see whether or not you like it. Oh my god. My god, so good.
Oh, it is sweet.
I told you. Like seriously, they don't need to add this syrup to it because it's sweet enough.
Oh my god.
You like it?
Wait, I have to try again. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought.
Oh, she likes it. I told you the one in France and in Belgium is completely different. I don't know, just the matcha here is just really good. We're walking to Shibuya right now. That's what's going on. 40-minute walk. Let's do it, but we've got some matcha, so it's fine. The tofu here is delicious. Crazy.
You see? C'est bien, hein? And you have to what a big seat. I wonder what kind of organization it is. I guess it's a company. Rolling on the river. Bueno.
took our pictures.
Great.
We're gonna edit them now, but the problem is that we both don't like speak Japanese, so we have no idea what we're doing. Oh no, it's countdown! It's countdown! What the hell? Oh my god! We're trying these, like, I don't know, rice dumplings, or what is this
Dumpling?
Like, yeah. Laura says she likes it, so let's try it. How do you?
Like it?
Love it. Picked me up. Thank you. Oh my god, I look so tired though, but it's fine. Slept 3 hours on the plane. So yeah, it was good. Good plane ride with Anna. Very nice staff. So yeah, I'm happy to be back in Brussels for 4 days. So yeah, and then I'm going somewhere exciting as well.